how to connect PS4 controller to Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a PS4 controller to a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to connect your PS4 controller to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. On your Galaxy Tab S7, open the Settings app. Over here, go to Connections, then tap Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 2. Now, on your PS4 controller, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. Hold them until the light on the controller starts blinking. Step 3. Go back to your Galaxy Tab S7 and tap Scan under the Bluetooth settings. After that, look for wireless controller in the list of available devices. Step 4. Tap on wireless controller to pair it with your tablet. Once paired, the blinking light on the controller will turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Step 5. Now, you can use your PS4 controller to navigate your tablet or play compatible games. So that's how you can connect a PS4 controller to a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. That's all for this video.